This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
We found INDOMIE Rendang. Whoa. We didn't expect this at all. Like, this was so delicious. Welcome back, guys, to another video. You guys recommended us under our YouTube videos that you want to see us eating Indomie, which is a famous Indonesian instant noodle company, so we're excited to try it today.
Yeah, we noticed there's a big hype about Indomie in Indonesia, and we asked you on Instagram which is your favorite flavor, and we're gonna choose some of them, the most popular ones, to taste the best package of it. And stay tuned to see us cooking and eating the Indomies. But now, let's go to the Pipito market.
The weather is so hot in Canggu. It's like non-comparable to Jakarta.
Okay, we are here at the noodle section, and as you see, the full thing is full with Indomie noodles. We have real meat, we have mie goreng pedas, we have hype abis, and I think there's even a bolognese, mie goreng, sambal rica. Oh, here, mie goreng bolognese. There was a hype recently, right?
So as you can see, we have like 20 different flavors, and also we have like a premium section and the cheaper versions, which are about like 3,000 or 4,000, and then the premium section, which goes up to 23,000. So, yeah, let's see what we're gonna pick.
Currently looking for the most popular one. You advise us, and we see mie goreng and rendang, and we're thinking about the third one, probably the Pedas one. Okay, it seems like there is no Indomie original, either Indomie Rendang, so probably we need to go to an Indomart, right, for getting all the different flavors of Indomie. So we go now to the Indomart.
We found INDOMIE Rendang, and we also found INDOMIE Mie Goreng. We found the both favorite flavors of yours. We went to the other supermarket, and they are both 3,500 rupiah. Now we will have to pick a third one. I guess we're gonna go for the Indomie Pedas.
And maybe we're gonna try soup. So right across the Pipito was another market very close by, and we thought we'd just give it a shot and look if they have the Indomie, and they had it over there, so we didn't have to drive a little bit to the Indomarket.
I never cooked instant noodles in my life before, so I'm excited how that will go, because actually when we eat it in Germany, we just like squeeze the thing here and then we eat the noodles itself.
Yeah, so I sometimes eat yum yum in Germany, and I just eat it raw with the flavors. Is this weird? Comment down below. Hope you liked my little cooking cinematic class of me cooking sometimes. Usually Lara cooks all the food, but we have here the Soto Ayam, yeah, the soup. And then we have INDOMIE Goreng Pedas. So these are the last one we're gonna cook for now, and then we're gonna try all 4 of these. So maybe it takes 5 more minutes.
Professional cooking, right?
So instant noodles is something in my scope of capability of cooking. Very easy. You put in hot water and then you boil it with the instant noodles, and then it takes like 3 minutes and it's done. Then you put all the spices and sauces on the plate, mix it all together, done. Soto Ayam spices.
This time I have nothing to do with it. Like, Mark is cooking all of the dishes and I'm just gonna eat them. And normally I would be the one cooking, so...
I also clean the dishes.
Okay, so we came prepared. We got some drinks in the supermarket. We got this strawberry and grape water.
Many foreigners recommend to us, or friends recommended this drink to us. It should be like flavored water, but we actually
It's actually really good. I like it. Let me try that one.
Ooh, this good one. So we bought all this ourselves, and in total we have 28,500 rupiah for all these meals together and the drinks.
And
that's cheap.
The drinks were actually the most expensive of the entire...
Yeah, the Indomie noodles are so cheap. So let's try our first Indomie dish, the most voted dish on Instagram. You guys recommended us. This is the original one.
Let's take a quick break to thank our sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is an amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily create your own professional website using their award-winning web designs. For us, it was very easy to create our own websites, and Squarespace offers a variation of different templates that you can use and adjust to your own needs. If you already have a website with Squarespace, make sure to leave it down below so that we can check it out. We also have a great opportunity for you guys. Go to squarespace.com for your free trial, and if you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/LehmannVlogs to save 10% of your first purchase of a website or domain. We will leave the link down in the description, and now let's go back to the video. That is really good. I like it. I thought it would be like plain, but it actually isn't at all. You can tell.
A little bit spicy.
Yeah, it's
just a little.
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy.
Yeah, it tastes like noodles with mushroom sauce. So what it's supposed to taste like?
Shrimps, tomatoes, onions.
No joke. It's really good.
I know.
So read something about MSG, the flavor or spice they put in Indomie. Is it really true that there's so much of it which makes the taste of these great? Please explain down in the comments what MSG is, because actually we don't know this from Germany.
If I would get this meal on the street, I would never think that it's like an instant noodle meal.
Out of 10, how much? What's the points for you?
I would say, I don't know the other ones, but I would say I would go for a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like for instant noodles?
I'll give 7.
7?
7. I'm gonna stop though.
We're gonna stop though.
Okay, the next one we're gonna try is Rendang. This was second most recommended one from you guys.
As we see, Rendang is like a meal it contains like meat. Which kind of meat is it?
Sapi.
Sapi?
So from the cow's meat.
Sapi. Yeah.
Let's try it. You're gonna first. You're the foodie.
Never tried Rendang in my entire life. But
tell me if you get the meat flavor.
Tastes like a meat curry. It is very good.
That's such a weird taste.
I like that this dish tastes like sapi, but you don't really have meat in here, I guess. It's just the flavor of the curry sapi, and yeah, it's good. It actually is good.
If I am comparing the original one to the Rendang one, I would say the original one is better. So I'm upgrading the original one to 8 points and giving the sapi one, the Rendang, 7 points. Next up we have the soup. which is Soto Special, and apparently this is the special version, yeah? We have somehow, what is it?
We have like tomatoes and telur and also some lime in it and sprouts as well.
I see chicken, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it like chicken broth?
We'll try. Whoa. It already smells like lime.
Lime, yeah.
Yeah.
I can smell lime for sure.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
I want to try.
The lime is so present in this. It tastes totally like lime. Also spicy.
Ooh. Oh, spicy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe wrong. Oh, it's delicious.
It is really, really good. I could eat this every day.
New ranking. Lara, what is your points for this soup?
I'm gonna go for a 9 out of 10.
This is my favorite so far. Then the original one. And then the Rendang. I'm sorry.
But we have one more to go.
Let's see how spicy the Pedas one gonna be. I saw chili spice and chili oil in it.
Yeah, you know. Oh, now I can feel it. Ooh, I can feel it now.
Yeah, I feel how the spice evolves about my tongue. It's not too spicy.
It actually has like a plain taste.
A very
with, like,
plain taste.
Yeah, only spicy.
Yeah, it's like noodles for the tongue. So I feel like my tongue is starting to burn, or my lips also burn. This one not so special. This one not. Yeah, so I would say this one is my least favorite.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have like original taste, nothing. Our ranking is place number 1, the soup. Then me, Indomie Original. And then we have the Indomie Rendang. And then the last and not the most favorite one, we have Mie Goreng Pedas.
We didn't expect this at all. Like, this was so delicious. We never thought that instant noodles would be that great. Also, the soup was definitely the best one. We are completely surprised and we're probably gonna cook this.
Please comment down below which flavor is your favorite flavor, and do you eat these kind of instant noodles, the Indomie one, pretty often, or is it occasionally? Like with the martabak, you said maybe once or twice a month, it's okay with family and friends, not solo. But how is it with the Indomie? Please tell us how you consume Indomie, which one is your favorite one. And we are so happy that you tuned in again, and we're gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.